Curtis Wagner Plastics is an accepted leader in the plastics industry. We specialize in providing the most advanced and durable products for lawn and garden, pet, paint, and floral industries, though we primarily serve the wholesale distribution and chain store marketplaces. At Curtis Wagner Plastics, we offer an extensive selection of plastic products that are both designed and made in the USA. Our commitment to quality and innovation in the field of plastics manufacturing sets us apart from the competition and ensures greater customer satisfaction at every phase of the distribution process. At Curtis Wagner Plastics, we use thicker and sturdier plastic to construct our products, ensuring that they last longer and work better. We offer a full line of clear vinyl products, including heavy gauge footed saucers for added stability and increased floor protection. Our clear vinyl plant saucers are available in an array of sizes starting at a 4-inch diameter up to 25 inches in diameter with shallow, deep, or medium configurations. They are designed with a special airflow bottom that helps prevent moisture buildup, which protects floors and furniture. Our clear vinyl deep basket liners nest in half the space of our competitors and de-nest easily. Their design includes a ribbed sidewall which strengthens the liner and makes it more rigid. Our cork plant mats that we manufacture have a molded plastic base which protects surfaces from water damage. Additionally, their design includes feet which allows air to flow underneath the mat and a covered edge for a designer look. Last but not least, our Designer Series saucer is produced with extra strong, heavy gauge plastic, and its design includes feet that allow airflow under the plant, which guards against moisture stains. We look forward to meeting you and showing you why Curtis Wagner Plastics is the #1 trusted manufacturer of lawn and garden products in the United States.